Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 4, Effects of Electric Current. Next point, AC current and DC current, that is alternate current and direct current. After studying electromagnetic induction, Faraday's law of induction and Fleming's right-hand rule, let's study about alternate current and direct current. First, let's see the definition of that alternate current and direct current. First, direct current. A non-oscillatory current flowing in one direction in a circuit from the cell to cell. Such a current is called a direct current. This is definition of direct current. See in the figure. In this first figure, this is a simple circuit, resistor and cells or battery here. So current is flow in this direction from this cell to this cell. This is the direction of the flowing of current. Hence, a non-oscillatory current flowing in one direction in a circuit from the cell to cell. Such current is called direct current. This is called direct current. Next, alternate current. Against to this direct current, a current changing in magnitude and direction after equal interval of time, which is called alternating current, that is AC. In this figure showing the alternate current, in alternate current, let's see here AC generator and resistor. Direction of this current is change after equal interval of time, and also magnitude is change. Let's see here. First, current flowing through this direction, again current flowing from this end to this end. This is the completion of one oscillation. Let again see current flowing from this end to this end first, and in next from this end to this end. This is one oscillation is complete. Oscillatory movements you study in the previous standard. So this is the definition of alternate current, that a current change in magnitude and direction after equal interval of time, which is called alternating current. This is graphical representation of alternating current and direct current. First, see the direct current. Direct current can increase, can be stable or can reduce also, but it is not oscillatory. On this axis, current is shown, this time in second. Direct current increase. Direct current equipment we use in our home, that are torch, radio, or in simple circuit we use the direct current. Hence, when we want to increase the current, we increase the number of cell and increase this direct current. This current is also stable, and when we want to reduce, we can reduce the number of cells and reduce the direct current. But this is not oscillatory. What is about alternating current? Alternating current is oscillatory. As shown in the graph, it increases to a maximum, then reduces to 0 and increases to maximum in other direction and again reduces to 0. So see in this graph here current in ampere and time in second. So this is 0. These are 0.5, here minus 0.5. This is one direction and this is the opposite direction. Hence, this current first increases to maximum. Here it increases to 1. This is the maximum. Again reduces to 0. Here is 0 and increases to maximum in other direction. Here again increases to minus 1 to other direction, hence there is sign is minus. Again reduces to 0. Here again reduces to 0. This is the completion of one oscillation. From this 0 maximum, again 0, other direction maximum and again 0. One oscillation is complete here. Magnitude like -1, -2 have been used to show the reverse direction. So from these -1 or minus signs are for the reverse direction they are showing here. The oscillations of the alternating current occur in a sinusoidal manner with time and hence is shown by the symbol. This is the symbol of alternate current. So sinusoidal manner means as like this wave manner we can show the alternating current. What is about direct current? Direct current flows in one direction, but the alternating current flows in periodic manner in one cycle in forwarded and reverse direction. So this is also a difference in between alternate current and direct current. So this direct current flows in one direction. This is the one direction, but the alternating current flows in periodic manner. That means first this is maximum to this direction, again to 0, this is maximum to another direction, again 0, this is again maximum, means periodically these happen in periodic manner. So these are the difference and also how that the alternate current and direct current are flows that are shown graphically in this figure. In India, in the power stations generating electricity, that the electricity in our home is also from these the power stations. One cycle changes in 1 upon 50 second, that is the frequency of AC is 50 Hz, means 50 cycles per second. In this is the one cycle. This is from 0 to maximum, again 0 to other side, this is maximum, again 0. This is the completion of the one cycle. As like this 50 cycles are completed per second. When the electric power is transmitted over a long distance, that are the power stations are long from our home, hence from long distance it is beneficial to have it in the AC form, as a result that we use when the AC current that result into minimum power loss during transmission. This is the advantage of using that AC current. That AC current is transmitted over long distances without much loss of energy. So, the home supply of alternate current because of that. Devices in which direct current DC used. A direct current is used in a portable electric torch, radio, electric bell, wall clock, electrolysis calculator, etc. While the devices in which alternate current AC used are home appliances like washing machine, mixer, food processor, air conditioners, fan, refrigerator, heater, electric iron, etc.